Okay, here with another pointless Amazon review, this time of this camping lantern. AYL LED lantern, Starlight 700. There's this side. This side. What are the amazing features? 1300 lumens. 100,000 hours of use, 3 lighting modes. Comes with a convex reflector that provides 360 lighting. Okay, anyways, you can read this if you want to pause it. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, okay, I need a knife. 1 second. Okay. Alright, so here's the lantern. Ta-da! Pretty cool. Okay, so how do I use it? What is this? Okay, so be right back. I'm going to read the manual really quick. Okay, so I just finished reading this little manual here, and basically I'll just show you it real quick. So if you want to pause, go ahead and do so. And here's the back as well. Alright, so basically what you do is you twist this bottom part, and then there are 3 compartments here for you to put 3 D-cell batteries. So let's just go ahead and do that. 1 second. Okay, so I got the D-cell batteries out of the wrap. Let's go ahead and just put it in, similar to how they have it in this diagram here. Alright, so these 2 should be facing the bottom. This one, this one, and then this one should be facing the top with the nipple. Alright, and then the way that you put it in is that you have to line it up with these arrows here. So there's this arrow down here, then there's one down here as well. And also there's that hole. So basically you put this thing into that hole, like so. And it should just click in place, yes. And then just turn it. And then this thing I found out is actually a hook. So you can, take this out like this, then hook it from the top to some kind of fixture. Alrighty, and now this should work. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3 modes. So, okay Google, turn off waterfall. Okay, so the first mode is just your standard brightness mode. I think this is the lower setting. This mode makes it a little bit lighter or brighter. And then this one finally is the flashing light. And yeah, that is basically it with this little gadget. I bought it in case of power outages, and yeah, basically it. I'm not sure how long the batteries will last for, but it says that I think the LED itself should last for about 100,000 hours. Okay Google, turn on waterfall. I name my lights waterfall. And then there's this little thing up top, so you can hold on to it. Then it folds back in place like so. Alrighty, that is basically it. Thanks for watching. Bye.